Welcome to Canny Coffee, where we're going to demonstrate the features of the Giga X7 commercial coffee machine. What we're going to do is we're going to fill the machine with our fresh Cafe Prego coffee beans. As you can see, I'm filling both hoppers because the machine's got two high-speed ceramic grinders and two bean hoppers. Oh, smells delicious. One of the unique features of the Giga range of coffee machines is the actual lid that goes onto the bean hoppers. It has a rubber seal and it's a very heavy lid, which means it's a very tight fit, keeping your beans fresher for longer. Now the machine comes with a 5-litre tank, which is enough to roughly make about 50 coffees. Now it's quite simple, the tank just lifts off and then you move to your water supply and fill with water. Right, the tank is now filled with water, and again it's quite simple, it just slots back onto the side of the machine, handle down, put the cover back onto the machine, close, and we're now ready to power on. Right, the machine is now ready to power on. I've just pressed the power switch here and the machine's now booting. As you can see, the machine's heating and the ventilation fins have opened. The 3.5-inch display, LCD display, is now displaying all the drink options and the machine is now ready to serve. Right, I'm now going to make an espresso. So quite simply, on the LCD display, you select espresso and press the silver button to the left, and away we go. As you can see on the display, you can vary the strength of the espresso and the size. We've got it set at 40 mils. Enjoy. The frother head is fully movable, so you can adjust to different size cups right the way up to a 16-ounce drink. But for this demonstration we're just using a 12-ounce latte mug. So we move down, we select latte. If we want to adjust the strength, we turn this dial here, so I'm having a strong. The volume's been set at 70 mils, so it's just making a small latte. As you can see, it's dispensing the espresso and the milk simultaneously, so it gives a good mix. Both grinders are in operation, delivering an equal amount of coffee through each grinder, and this is now set at 16 grams of coffee because it's full strength. Look at that, beautiful cup of coffee. As you can see, there's a message come up on the machine which says clean machine. Now we'll go into that in our next video. I'm now going to produce a cappuccino. I like mine strong, so I'm going to notch it up. That'll be throwing at around about 12 grams now. You've gone onto camera. Gone onto camera. Oh, look at that for a cappuccino. Lovely. Serve your drinks in a latte glass, and you can do a layered macchiato. What's that? I hear you say. So what it's doing now, it's producing a layer of milk. Now what it's done is put a shot of foam on top of the milk, it's paused, and it's now going to deliver an espresso shot in between the layer of foam and the layer of milk. Now as you can see, it's like a Guinness. Now what we need to do before we serve the customer is allow the drink to settle for about 20 seconds. And as you can see, if you turn the glass, it's already started settling at the back, and you've got a perfect layered latte. The machine is also designed to deliver 2 drinks at the same time. So what we're now going to do is deliver two lattes. So if you turn the dial, you can see it's scrolling through the drinks, 2 coffees, cappuccino, 2 cappuccini, and we press start, and away we go. The machine is now delivering 2 drinks simultaneously. Now this does take slightly longer, but obviously you're getting 2 drinks for the same serving. Smell that coffee. It's now going to deliver the espresso. Right, there we go. 2 cappuccinos, 1 for me and 1 for the cameraman. Thank you. Right, for delivering a hot chocolate, basically just deliver a portion of milk. And add Zuma hot chocolate for that perfect hot chocolate. Right, the other drink that this machine can produce is a ristretto. So we'll just deliver that now. Commonly known as rocket fuel. So as you can see, a ristretto is half an espresso with the same amount of coffee. I'm not going to... Right, the machine has a grounds container that's capable of holding 40 cups of coffee. Now basically what you need to do is every 40 cups of coffee you need to empty the grounds container. So we take the splash guard off, okay, we pull out the drip tray, and as you can see the grounds are there ready to be emptied. So basically take the grounds out and empty into the bin. So in summary, the main features of the Giga X7 Professional are 2 high-speed ceramic grinders, powered hot water, there's no boiler, it's heated by 2 thermoblocks, a 3.5-inch graphic display, 2 milk specialities at the push of a button, cappuccino, latte, motorised ventilation fins. You can pour the coffee and the milk simultaneously. There's an optional grounds container dropping. There's water residue drainage and a sliding card. So basically you can have the machine plumbed to the mains, and also you can have a grounds container that automatically discards the coffee grounds. You can deliver 40 portions of coffee between emptying the grounds container, and there's a 5 litre water tank capacity. All in all, this is my favourite Jura coffee machine. Thank you. As a special introductory offer from Canny Coffee, if you hire any Giga X7 or the other model, the X9, you receive from Canny Coffee 18 kilos of Cafe Prego coffee beans, 25 Jura cleaning tablets, 30 descaling tablets, 1 filter for the tank, and 2 litres of cappuccino cleaning fluid. You will also receive a 3 litre milk fridge. At the moment this is just a 1 litre milk cooler, but as standard with this package we're giving away a milk fridge as well. Thank you all for tuning in to Canny Coffee TV. Look out for further videos on the Jura range. Thank you.